This is a BabaNarratives original, The Sound of Her Voice. Once you hear the voice, you're part of the story. I record sound for a living. Footsteps, laughter, rain on tin roofs. But that night, when I played back the tape, there was another voice. Soft, familiar, like someone remembering me from a dream. I tried cleaning the audio, but every filter made her voice clearer, like she wanted to be heard. She said only one line. "You forgot something." I didn't know what she meant, until I saw the date on the file. The day my mother died. Every night since, I leave the recorder running, not to find her again, but to remember what she gave back. Because sometimes, love isn't a person you meet. It's a voice that teaches you to listen.